25 divided by 5 times 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 will give us 5 times 5. This will give us 25. 25 divided by 25 is equals to what? 1. But this answer is not correct. Why? Because according to order of operation, BODMAS or PEMDAS, we have to first of all do bracket. This B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, N stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and X is subtraction. And we are solving this question from left to right. All right. So now we are going to first of all do the bracket first. We do this bracket first, followed by division, followed by multiplication, then addition and subtraction. And don't forget that division and multiplication have equal priority when you are solving. So you solve from left to right. So first of all, we do this bracket, this parenthesis. So 6 minus 1 will give us 5. And don't forget that there is an invisible multiplication here. Why? Because if a number is close to parenthesis, you have to multiply. So we have 6 minus 1, we have times. So we have 25 divided by 5 times 5. Now, we are going to do division first because division comes before multiplication, okay? So if we do this division, 25 divided by 5, this will give us 5, all right? So 5 times 5 is equals to what? 25. And this is our final answer.